Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Depicter channel. With Black Friday just around the corner, you're probably looking for the best way to showcase your on-sale products. In this video, I'll show you how to create a dynamic, eye-catching pop-up that automatically pulls in your discounted items and displays them in a slider. Let's get started. First things first, if you haven't already, you'll need to install the Depicter plugin. Just go to your WordPress repository, search for Depicter, and install and activate it. Inside the Depicter dashboard, I'll choose the Popup category, then go to Dynamic Content. There are several ready-made templates. This Black Friday one looks great, so I'll import it. Now we're in the editor. The first thing we need to do is tell Depicter which products to show. I'll open the Data Source tab on the top right. You can see it's already set to Woo products, which is what we want. To show only discounted items, I'll change the From option to On Sale. The number of posts is currently at 5. Let's bump that up to 6. And if I scroll down, you can see in the query results that Depicter has already found our 6 on-sale products. Perfect. Next, let's fine-tune the design. I'll just move the title and controls up a bit to make some room. We want to show both the original price and the new sale price. To do that, I'll open the Products tab on the left and drag in 2 new elements, Product Regular Price and Product On Sale Price. To make them match our design, I'll simply right-click the original price, copy its style, and paste that style onto the 2 new elements. You can also do this directly from the Layer panel. Now we can delete the old price element. I'll position the regular price on top and the sale price right below it. Finally, to make it clear, I'll select the regular price, go to the Decoration panel, and apply a strike-through. This template also has a countdown timer to create urgency. I'll select it and set the end date to November 28th at 11:59 p.m. right when Black Friday ends. Okay, our design is ready. Let's hit preview. And there it is, a beautiful slider showing our on-sale products dynamically with the original and sale prices displayed perfectly. This looks great. I'll hit Publish, then Publish Now. Next, open Display Rules and go to the Triggers section. I want this pop-up to appear after a user has been on the page for a few moments, so I'll enable Spend Time on Page and set it to 5 seconds. All right, let's see the final result on the live site. After 5 seconds, there it is. Our pop-up appears automatically and the slider is showcasing all our on-sale products, complete with the countdown timer and formatted prices. It's that easy. And that's how you can create a powerful, dynamic Black Friday product slider in just a few minutes with Depicter. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials.